Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car. We have those black alloy wheels to match the body colour of the car. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see that we've got those twin exiting tailpipes there. Plenty of boot space as well, given the nature of the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car, especially given the age of the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on that left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see at the bottom the total miles of this car. They are only 27,010. Just to the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, and we, of course, are in park currently. Above that, we have the coolant temperature gauge, we have the fuel gauge, and at the very top, the digital readout for the speedometer as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have stereo and phone controls over on that left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and the plus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center next, we've got the main touch screen for the car. So we're on the home screen, accessed just here, where you have your main options, including, of course, as you can see, satellite navigation. Back to the home screen, your media input for the car. So we, of course, have got the radio. If you want to listen to your own music, other options will appear up here once you've attached things or connected things, for example, Bluetooth audio. When it comes to the radio itself, we have DAB, FM and AM available, as you can see. You can pair your phone under that telephone heading. Also along the bottom in this main section, we've got our climate control menu. So the part of the climate control that we can affect from here is the direction that the air is being distributed in. We have these fans that will open up if you select this. If I turn that off, those fans will eventually close down, as you can see now, because we don't need the air on our face. From that main home screen, we can swipe through for lots of other options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see a full color reversing camera as well. Directly below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control. We can adjust from here our passenger temperature, our driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed as well. If I push this button in, I am now controlling the heated seat for the car. 3 different heat settings for both driver and passenger. That's where you turn your air conditioning off, back on again, or you can put the whole system into auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will immediately override auto and allow you to put it back on your own settings. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set here. We've got our hazard warning lights, we've got our heated rear screen just here, the start and stop button for the engine, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the volume for your stereo is just here. You can change the driving setup of the car, so for a kind of a track focus mode, normal everyday driving, and then your rain, ice, snow mode, and then back again to normal. One of the other things you can change independently of that is the volume of the exhaust. Having pressed that button, so with that light now on, the exhaust is essentially in a sport mode where it's slightly louder than it would be otherwise. We can turn off our traction control, our stop and start, and we can raise and lower the boot spoiler. We've also got our handbrake there as well. Last thing I wanted to mention is this panoramic glass roof. The glass section itself is fixed in place, but with this open, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.